came out really nice. Really freaking nice. So she's part of the women's Beamer Club. I mentioned it before. I already know we're going to have referrals from her. So I feel like she's going to send us more than 6, and we're going to owe her a color change, because that's kind of our thing, is send us 6 people, 6 referrals, and we owe you a color change. Gift it to mom, use it for yourself, whatever the case is, any car, any color. This looks like that popular BMW color. I don't know what it's called. Spaceberry? Something berry. No more of the basic pewter color that she had for 2-3 years that she said. This is so fitting. I think she's gonna absolutely love it. I really do.